Here's another example. Absolute value equation. We have to solve for x. If you have an absolute value equation, make sure you first solve for the absolute value term. Keep that on one side, get rid of everything else. And in this case, we're getting rid of the 4. Minus 4 plus 4 equals a 0. We're going to add 4 on both sides. So we have absolute value of 5x minus 3 equals 7. And the minute you get this, absolute value of some expression equals 7, then that expression in x is equal to plus 7 or minus 7. That's how you would get the absolute value of that expression to be 7. This is how we get two equations. 5x minus 3 equals 7, or the other possibility is that 5x minus 3 equals negative 7. Now solve each equation. 5x, and then we add 3 on both sides here to get 5x equals 10. The plus 3 and the minus 3 cancel each other out. 5x equals 10. So 5x divided by 5 equals 10 divided by 5. Cancel the 5's and we get x equals 2. Now solve the other equation. 5x minus 3 is negative 7. Add 3 on both sides. So 5x, that's a 0, minus 7 plus 3 equals negative 4. Now we solve for x. 5x over 5 is equal to negative 4 over 5. Cancel the 5's and x is equal to negative 4 over 5. So the two values of x can be equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 4 over 5. Let's do another equation. Let's look at the next example. Let's think about this for a bit. If I take a 5, the absolute value of 5 is equal to the absolute value of 5. So if the absolute value of two expressions is exactly the same, it's possible that these two expressions or these two numbers are the same. So that's a possibility. Now absolute value of 5 is also equal to the absolute value of negative 5 because both are equal to 5. So that's how we get, if absolute value of 3a plus 1 is equal to absolute value of 2a minus 4, then 3a plus 1 equals plus or minus, put your parentheses, the quantity 2a minus 4. These are the two possibilities. So 3a plus 1 could equal plus positive 2a minus 4, or 3a plus 1 is equal to the negative of the quantity, make sure you have parentheses, 2a minus 4. And now if you solve these two equations, you get the two values of a. So 3a plus 1 is equal to 2a minus 4. We get all the a's on one side. We are trying to solve for a. So let's get rid of the a on the right by subtracting 2a on both sides. 3a minus 2a is a, plus the 1 plus 2a minus 2a is 0 equals negative 4. We are trying to solve for a, so we subtract the 1 on both sides. So a is equal to negative 4 minus 1, which is equal to negative 5. So one of the values of a is equal to negative 5. 3a plus 1 equals negative 2a, and then negative times negative is positive 4. Distribute the negative sign. Now we're trying to solve for a, so we're going to add 2a on both sides because we want to have all the a's on one side, which means we're getting rid of the term containing a on the right by adding 2a. So 3a plus 2a is 5a plus 1 equals 4. Now we're trying to solve for a, so subtract 1 from both sides. 5a is equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3. We divide both sides by 5, so you get a equals 3 over 5. Let's do one more. Let's look at this one. The absolute value of x minus 1/3 is equal to the absolute value of half x plus 1/6. Now do the exact same thing as before. The absolute value of two expressions is equal, which means one expression is either the same as the other expression, which means it's equal to plus half x plus 1/6, which means both the expressions are the same, or it could be the negative of that expression. So let's look at the two equations. X minus 1/3 equals half x plus 1/6. Or x minus 1/3 is equal to the minus of half x plus 1/6. So let's solve this. We're subtracting half x first. On both sides. So x minus half x is half x. So 1x minus half x, 1 minus half is half, minus 1/3 is equal to, these two cancel each other off, and that's the reason why we subtracted half x plus 1/6. Add 1/3 on both sides because we are trying to solve for x, so we want to get x by itself. So half x is equal to 1/6 plus 1/3. So half x is equal to, we multiply the denominator by 2 and the numerator by 2 just to make the common denominator of 6, and we get 1 plus 2. So half x is equal to 3/6. 3/6 is nothing but half. So to get rid of the half, we multiply both sides with its reciprocal, 2 over 1. Do the exact same thing. It's 2 over 1 times 3 over 6. 3 goes 2 times into 6, the 2 and the 2 get cancelled, and we get x equals 1. That's one of the values of x. Now let's solve the other side. We've taken x minus 1/3 is the minus of the quantity. So distribute the minus sign, get rid of parentheses, is equal to negative half x minus, because the minus gets distributed, 1/6. we add 1/2 x. We want all the x's on one side. We add 1/2 x, so we get x plus 1/2 x minus 1/3 equals negative 1/6, because these two get cancelled. So we combine these two, factor the x out, and you get x times 1 is x plus half times x, and then minus 1/3 equals minus 1/6. So 3/2, 1 plus half is 3/2 x. One plus half is 3/2 x, and now we add 1/3 on both sides to get rid of the 1/3 on the left, because we are trying to solve for x. So that's negative 1/6 plus. You could use your calculator, but if you want to do this by hand, you multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So 3/2 x is equal to negative 1/6 plus 2/6. So 3/2 x is equal to negative 1 plus 2 over 6. So 3/2 x is equal to 1/6. Now we want to get rid of the 3/2, so we multiply with 2/3, which is its reciprocal. Multiply both sides with 2/3. So x is equal to, you can use your calculator to get 1/9. Enter numbers carefully into your calculator. So the two answers are either x equals 1 or x equals 1/9.